I'll just take this one, and I could probably also fit this one in here, and oh, hi. You're home early. This? I can explain. I just wanted your hoodies and your shirts and your pants and actually, what is this? Well, I just I wanted to wear it all. You know, they just smell a lot like you. And they're comfy and stuff. Well, yeah. Sorry about the mess. I guess I got a little overzealous and wanting to kind of have everything. Plus, it's kind of fun hanging out in your closet. There's a lot of hanging stuff. And I figured I'd, be done with all this by the time you got home. But I guess even if you did come home on time, it would be a lot of cleaning up I'd have to do, so. Well, I mean, I was kind of planning on wearing it all, or at least rolling around in it. Well, I miss you when you're gone, and I figured that, I tend to take some of your clothes when you're gone because it smells like you. And I figured that when you're away, if you miss me, if I got my scent on your clothes, then you wouldn't miss me either. So... what? Well, don't awe me. Now I feel embarrassed. At least a little bit. Don't laugh at me. I just didn't want you to miss me, so I thought, a lot of your clothes just sit there anyways, so I thought I'd take them out and put them to good use. Plus, it is kind of fun taking out all the clothes. Especially these. They're your fluffy socks. They're kind of fun to throw around. But this one's my specific favorite. This one. Your big t-shirt. I'm wearing it underneath the hoodie. It's actually getting kind of warm in here. Why are you laughing now? Well, I can't really fault you for that. I am pretty cute. Well, it all started when I was missing you, and I thought I will just go to my favorite place, which is your room, and I usually just grab one of your hoodies or something. But then one hoodie turned into another t-shirt, which then turned into me looking at your pants, which then turned me going through your sock drawer, because I remembered those fluffy socks, and then before I knew it, I was kind of taking everything out and deciding what I wanted to keep. Because sometimes I keep some of your stuff. Well, some of it. Just some t-shirts here and there. Probably a pair of pants. Don't laugh, I miss you. When you're gone, I don't know what to do with myself, so sometimes I just steal your clothes. Because, I mean, you're not using them all the time. Sometimes you don't even use some of this stuff in here. Like this t-shirt, I haven't seen it in months. And it's your fault for getting comfy clothes. Everything you own is so soft. And it smells like you. And yeah. I mean, I don't know, is that weird? At least it doesn't feel weird to me. It's not? Well, good, because I kind of also got you something. Close your eyes. Close them. Alright. Bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, pa. It's for you. It's my shirt. Because I really like the way you smell. And so I thought maybe you should have some of my stuff. Because I'm definitely taking your stuff. That's just kind of gonna happen. That's what you get when you have a cat in the house. You like it? I tried to pick a shirt that I know you said you liked before. And I wear it a lot, so it smells like me. You promise you'll keep it? Will you smell it? Well, come on, it does smell like me. I like how you smell. Oh, well, good. I'm glad you used to me stealing your clothes because it's probably gonna keep on happening. Today just was a little bit of overkill. And obviously was done a bit more out in the open versus in secret. Well, I try to be sneaky when I take your stuff. Granted, I guess it's usually just sitting in my room, so it's not much of a secret. So. Yeah, this is my favorite one. This particular, well, other than this t-shirt, it's this sweatshirt. I like how it's warm and it's big, and the sleeves are too long, like my hands are missing. And it's the one piece of clothing that makes me feel closest to you. Yeah. I know I say it a lot, so it might be annoying, but when you're at work, the apartment feels so empty. I try to distract myself and do stuff, and I always end up back in here. I don't like it being so quiet. And I hate waiting for you to come back. It just seems like it takes forever. Even though I know when you're supposed to come back. And I know you will. Sorry I messed up your room. I know you put up a lot with me and the stuff I do. I know I can be a lot sometimes. I know you say it's fine, but you're not secretly mad, are you? Really? Really? I just wanted to make sure. I know, your clothes are kind of everywhere. Well, kind of in a pile. kind of. And there's some in my room. Well, I was trying to decide what I wanted to keep, and then I kept on going back and forth of what I wanted to keep, and then I ended up bringing it all back in here, but then some of it went back in there, and I'm glad I make your life interesting. Honestly, I was expecting some kind of lecture when you came home. How I shouldn't be messing with your stuff and making a mess and, you know, stuff like that. But I guess you never really do that, so I don't know why I'm afraid that you will. I guess I'm just used to other people doing that stuff. Yeah, you're right. I guess it's a known fact that cats do get into things. Probably not on this scale, but... You want to know something funny? Sometimes I have this stupid irrational fear that you're gonna spray me with a water bottle. What do you mean you'll think about it? You better not. I will never forgive you. I know you're teasing. I like it when you tease me, 'cause then I can tease you back. You know, while we're having this little heart-to-heart here thing going on, before I go back to teasing you, or you teasing me, whichever comes first, I guess that I'd take the opportunity to, I don't think I ever really thanked you for letting me be here. You know, like live with you at your house and having a home. It's been really nice. Believe me, I know I can be a bit much. Well, Haddock Nekos can be a bit much. So it's sometimes hard to find people who stick around, or let you stick around. So it's been nice being at a place that I know always be my home, no matter what crazy stuff I pull. It feels secure here. I know where everything is, and I know when you'll come home, and I know you're going to come home, and I know which chair gets the afternoon sunshine, and I know where we stash the secret snacks. And I just know this will always be here. That you'll always be here. All the big things and little things, I realized that are things that I didn't really have. Things that I so desperately wanted from people, but I never really got. So, thank you. I'll never say no to a hug. I know I don't have to thank you, but I felt like I did. So I did. Aww. Well, you're welcome. I'm glad I can make this place feel like home too. 'Cause I'm never leaving. You brought food home? Well, why didn't you say so? I'm starving. Well, I ate that, but I was still hungry afterwards. So what'd you get? I thought they closed down. Oh, well, I mean, I thought they closed down. Isn't the other one on the other side of town? Oh. Yeah, that makes more sense.